Want to make your woodworking projects faster, cleaner, and more precise? In this video, we're showing some of the latest innovations that can transform the way you work in your shop. These tips and gadgets are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and make even tricky tasks feel effortless. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned woodworker, learning about these updates can take your skills to the next level. Stick around, because what you're about to see could completely change how you tackle your next project. Pick up this bench dog clamp and you'll feel the difference instantly. Solid, smooth, and easy to lock with just one hand. If you've ever struggled to keep a workpiece steady without leaving marks, this clamp fixes that problem fast. The bright color and clean, non-marking grip immediately stand out, keeping your wood protected while you work. Designed for 3/4 inch, 19 millimeters. Dog holes. It fits most benches and delivers a strong, reliable hold for routing, cutting, or grinding. Its durable metal build and silicone pads make every project easier, safer, and more efficient. If you're looking for cleaner, safer, and more accurate ingrain cuts, the Infinity Cutting Tools Coping Sled is a game changer. This 2-in-1 sled works on both your router table and table saw, giving you perfect, repeatable results for coping rails, tenons, lap joints, and more. The sturdy clamp and adjustable guide keep your material locked in place, while the design keeps your hands safely away from the bit or blade. Built tough, it's made for long-term shop performance. When you need precise pocket holes without the hassle, the VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit delivers. Its CNC machined aluminum body keeps your work steady, and the adjustable 1/2 inch depth makes setup simple. The titanium-plated drill bit cuts clean, accurate holes with zero wandering. Use the full fixture for maximum control or switch to the detachable guide block when you need mobility. And with 34 essential accessories included, it's a complete, ready-to-work solution for any DIY carpentry project. If you've ever switched back and forth between drilling and driving, the Kreg Quick-Flip changes the game. This clever two-sided tool drills precise pilot holes and counterbores on one end, then flips to drive Kreg number 2 screws on the other. No fumbling, no wasted time. Perfect for attaching false fronts, joining corners, or any wood project that needs strong, clean joints. With Kreg's trusted quality, your woodworking becomes faster, easier, and more precise every time. Every DIY project has that one tricky label or stubborn adhesive. Meet the foldable utility knife with scraper function. Its 90-degree rotating blade and 4 lockable angles give you full control and safety. Compact and foldable, it stores 2 extra SK2 replacement blades. Built with a zinc alloy body and rust-resistant steel, this tool is tough, reliable, and precise, making every project effortless and professional. The knife that transforms frustrating jobs into smooth, satisfying results. Ever wished finding studs was effortless? The Kreg slides across the wall, instantly showing where every stud hides. I used to guess and patch holes, but now the powerful rare earth magnets lock onto screws or nails, and the laser mark projects the exact spot. No guesswork. Notice how compact it is. Fits in your pocket, yet delivers precise readings every time. Precision-centered notches and the high-visibility bubble level make marking and leveling simple. Whether wood or metal studs, this tool keeps your projects accurate and smooth. With Kreg, turning an idea into a flawless outcome has never been easier. Smooth, flawless wood finishes don't happen by chance. They need the right tool. The blue curved cabinet scraper card makes every stroke precise and effortless. I used to fight uneven surfaces, but this American-made, high-carbon steel scraper handles even the toughest hardwoods with ease. Its flexibility, sharp edge, and ready-to-sharpen design let you customize for any project. Pair it with a burnisher for ultra-fine results, or use it solo for everyday tasks. Compact, durable, and crafted with expert input, this set of 3 transforms your woodworking, giving every project a professional, polished finish. Cutting wood has never been this precise or easy. The SKIL table saw delivers up to 1/2 inch depth in a single pass, letting you slice through 3x material effortlessly. I used to struggle aligning my cuts, but the rack and pinion fence keeps everything parallel, giving smooth, accurate results every time. Notice the expansive rip capacity, 24. 5 inches right, 12 inches left, perfect for plywood or sheet materials. Its powerful 15A motor handles framing, crosscuts, and dado joints with ease. Lightweight and compact, the aluminum table offers durability and precision, and the safety switch gives instant shutdown when needed. Getting perfect trim reveals shouldn't be a guessing game. The Shimeyao 4-piece trim reveal set makes precision effortless. I used to struggle getting consistent 1/4 or 3/16 inch offsets, but these tools, paired with the included pencils, ensure every line is exact. Notice how compact and lightweight they are, easy to carry in a toolbox or belt without slowing you down. Made from durable plastic, they handle repeated use with no wear or wobble. Whether it's door or window casings, shiplap, or seams, this set gives DIYers and pros alike consistent, professional results every time. Installing door locks has never been this precise. The door mortise lock jig keeps grooves perfectly vertical, with adjustable slides and an anti-slip mat for stability. I used to struggle with uneven lock holes, but this kit ensures every cut is accurate, thanks to the removable sliding bearing and depth stops. Notice how versatile it is. Supports wooden doors 25 to 90 millimeters thick, grooving up to 240 millimeters, and works with new locks, replacements, or upgrades. Lightweight and portable at just 11 pounds, it's easy to handle on any job. Complete with 3 tungsten steel cutters, spanners, chisel, ruler, and case, it's a carpenter's all-in-one solution. This Sacred Chamfer Plane makes edge and corner trimming simple and precise. Designed for woodworkers of any level, it comes with 6 carbon steel cutter heads for fast, clean cuts. The adjustable depth lets you work on different types of wood, while built-in level bubbles ensure accuracy every time. Compact and lightweight, it's comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver on any project. Safety edges protect your hands, and the tool is simple to assemble or swap blades. Whether you're smoothing corners or creating perfect chamfers, this plane delivers professional results quickly and efficiently. Cutting wood has never been this precise. The DEWALT powerful 15-amp, 3,800 revolutions per minute motor handles heavy-duty jobs with ease, giving you consistent performance every time. I love the XPS LED shadow system. It projects a precise cut line, so your cuts are accurate without guesswork. Tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches and base molding up to 6.75 inches, while the fence design lets you cut 2x14 lumber at 90 degrees or 2x10 at 45 degrees. Miters go 60 degrees right and 50 degrees left. With an efficient dust collection system, an included clamp and blade wrench, this saw makes every project smoother. Marking wood or tiles has never been easier. The Saker multifunction scribing tool adapts to any shape. Just adjust the pencil holder and nut for precise lines every time. I used to struggle with uneven arcs and parallel lines, but this aluminum alloy tool, with its anodized finish, feels solid and lasts for years. Compact and lightweight, it fits in your pocket or clips onto your belt for quick access. With over 15 marking applications, from stud walls to furniture inlays. This scribe tool handles every project with ease. Precise, versatile, and portable, it's a must-have for DIYers and pros alike. Every home needs a reliable toolkit, and the KingTool set has everything you could ask for. All tools fit neatly in a durable case with molded compartments, keeping everything organized and easy to access. I love how sturdy the steel tools are, with comfortable TPR handles that feel great in your hand. From wrenches and screwdrivers to pliers, hammers, sockets, and even fasteners, this kit handles any small repair or DIY project around the house. Perfect for homeowners, handymen, or DIYers. It's also a thoughtful gift for family or friends who love fixing and creating things. Precision cutting just got easier with the RUITOL 6-inch Japanese handsaw. I love how compact yet powerful it is. The double-edged blade makes both hardwood and softwood cuts effortless, while the 14/17 TPI teeth handle rip and cross cuts with perfect control. Its SK5 high-carbon steel blade is hardened for durability and flexibility, giving smooth, flush cuts every time. The beach handle feels comfortable in your hand, reducing fatigue on longer projects. Hardened 3-edge teeth remove chips faster and cleaner, making each cut efficient and accurate. Ideal for woodworkers, carpenters, or DIY enthusiasts who want professional results every time. Making precise cuts is effortless with the GARTOL miter box and saw set. This 4-piece kit includes an ergonomic handle, a compact miter box, and 3 interchangeable Japanese saw blades for wood, plastic, drywall, and soft metal. I love how easily the blades swap out with the quick-release system, letting me tackle any project without hassle. The miter box supports 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees cuts, perfect for trim, frames, and craft projects. With high-carbon steel blades and a non-slip handle, every cut feels smooth and controlled. Compact, versatile, and durable, this set is perfect for DIYers and carpenters alike. Woodworking just got easier with the Milescraft glue mate. Its 15-ounce precision bottle keeps glue flowing smoothly, thanks to the double-chamber design. I love how the included tips let me tackle different projects. Use the doweling tip for tight joints or the flat biscuit tip for larger surfaces. Glue dispenses at any angle, so no awkward maneuvers, and the anti-drip tip plus included caps keep everything neat and fresh. Compact, easy to handle, and designed for precision, it's perfect for carpenters, DIYers, and hobbyists. Just add your favorite wood glue, and you're ready to build with confidence.